Snoring is a very common problem. Men, and people who are overweight, are most likely to snore. Dr. Nancy Markley, the founder and CEO of EmpowerX, tells us why people snore and other risk factors.
Well, the snoring noise itself is caused when a person's airway narrows, and it causes a vibration. So as we drift into sleep, the muscles in our throat will relax, and natural obstructions start to come into play. So the key to resolving snoring is identifying those obstructions and trying to find a solution that fits with those findings. People who are at risk for snoring are people who have enlarged tonsils, enlarged tongues, excess weight around their necks. Often the shape of your nose and your jaw can impact snoring as well. No matter what the reason, nearly 40% of adults will snore regularly. It has a tremendous impact on the quality of your sleep and the quality of your life. So it's very important that you as the snorer, who may not know you snore, address these issues, because you're impacting not just your health, but the health of the people who you live with.
Dr. Markley talks about an innovative solution for your snoring.
The creative genius behind the Good Morning Snore solution is Calgary dentist and sleep researcher Dr. Leslie Dort. As part of Dr. Dort's clinical practice and her research at the University of Calgary, she saw the potential for an alternative to uncomfortable, complicated, and often expensive treatment options that are available on the market, like CPAP and jaw displacement mouthpieces. Dr. Dort created the initial prototypes for the device and conducted the clinical trials to demonstrate the safety and efficacy. And EmpowerX built the commercialization capability to bring this innovative device to as many people as possible worldwide. She wanted something that was simple, cost-effective, and which wouldn't require custom fitting.
How does the Good Morning Snore solution work?
Most of the snoring mouthpieces on the market open the jaw through hard plastic and complicated mechanics. However, the simplified tongue stabilization strategy of the Good Morning Snore solution works by gently pulling the tongue forward and opening up a blocked airway. Many people find this approach more comfortable and more effective with less side effects than jaw displacement mouthpieces or CPAP.
Stopping snoring can be a major improvement in your life.
By giving yourself a better sleep, your brain has time to rebuild. Your body has time to rebuild, which gives you more energy the next day, higher quality of life, better performance. Stop snoring, start living.
This device has helped many people around the world.
The reaction from our users has been remarkable. We've had people show up on our door and say that this has saved their marriage. We have people saying that they're getting a better sleep and feeling more refreshed in the morning. And others, it has just changed their life in ways that it's hard to measure. I am very proud of what we've accomplished in our company, bringing this simple, innovative device to over 85 countries worldwide. It's remarkable to be able to make such a big difference in people's lives.